Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the KABA number 75118000001. This is their 5000 series E-Plex antenna assembly kit. And when you purchase this, you are getting the components listed below. And let's take a look at what those are. You've got your lead for your 2-pin connector. Got your antenna cap, your antenna assembly. You're going to get the number 7, which is what this portion is, shown in the exploded view below this video. You're also going to receive the two number 13, which are your antenna screws. That's a 440 by 3/4 inch pan head with a locking thread applied to the end of it, a 440. That's a tiny thread. Not unheard of in the hardware industry. You get into some cylinders, and I think you're going to see a 440 on the back holding the cams in, although that may be a 348. I forget that thread. It might be smaller than a 440. Okay, there are your screws. Let's take some dimensional properties of the antenna assembly cover. Overall width at the top, as you can see, it's about 2 1/4. Overall height at its maximum, it's about 1 3/4. Its total thickness the thickest portion of the projection is about 5/8 of an inch. Okay. There are several links below this video that will allow you to see the different parts manuals for the different locks that this item occurs in. Those documents can be opened up and reviewed. You can review the parts, all of the parts that are going to be available in those locks. Point being, if you need other part numbers, you'll be able to pull those up as well for the same assembly. If you have any questions on the KABA, this is their part number 75118000001 E-Plex Series 5000 antenna assembly kit, or any other KABA product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.